In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change text position on Squarespace mobile site. We'll move through a simple flow so you can quickly fine-tune how your text looks on phones. First, look to the left side of your Squarespace dashboard and click on Website, then Open Pages. This is your main hub for everything that appears on your site. Taking a moment here to choose the right page will save time later, because any changes you make will apply specifically to the page you open. Next, head to the page where you want to adjust the text. Once you're on that page, switch your view to mobile by clicking the mobile icon at the top right. It usually looks like a small phone. This mobile view is important because it shows how text wraps, stacks, and aligns on smaller screens. Desktop and mobile can feel very different, so always use this view when your goal is to optimize for phones. Now, click Edit. You're in the right place when you see the on-page controls and the content blocks highlight as you hover over them. With Edit enabled, use your mouse to adjust the text positioning on the page. This can include dragging a text block slightly up or down to refine spacing, nudging it within its section to get a cleaner balance, or aligning it relative to other blocks so it reads naturally on a narrow screen. Small moves often make a big difference in readability on mobile, so go slowly and watch how lines reflow. When you select a text block, a context menu appears right next to it. Use that menu to edit the text alignment. You'll typically see options for left, center, right, and sometimes justify. As a general tip, left alignment is the most readable for longer paragraphs on phones, while center alignment can work well for short headings or callouts. If the text looks cramped, try centering a heading and leaving body copy left aligned, which keeps it easy to scan. If you change alignment and it feels off, don't worry. Use the same menu to switch it back until it looks just right. As you make adjustments, pay attention to consistency across sections. Keep similar elements aligned the same way, and maintain comfortable spacing so the page doesn't feel crowded. If a change throws off your layout, a quick undo can get you back on track. That's all you need to reposition and align text for a cleaner, more readable Squarespace mobile experience. Take a final glance in mobile view to confirm everything flows naturally, and you're good to go.